Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Snapchat story, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. Now to delete your Snapchat story, first go on your story. To do that, you can click on your story, which is going to appear on the top right of your screen. So you can see my little photo at the top right beside the search icon. Click on it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to your profile. Once you're on your profile, scroll all the way down until you see My Stories. And inside My Stories, click on it. And if you have added multiple stories, it's going to show you multiple stories. But I have only added one, so it's only showing me one. So I can click on that story to view it. Now, this is how I can view it. To delete it, you just have to hold on the story. It doesn't matter where you hold, alright? Like in this entire screen, you can hold on any place you want for like 3 seconds and release the hold, and these settings will open up. From these settings, you can click on delete snap, click on delete. Once you do that, your story will be deleted. As you guys can see, now you can see the story at the top left of the screen because it's deleted. So yeah, that's how you guys can delete your Snapchat story. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.